Hi, it's Todd from Todd's Workshop and Todd Cutler here, and we have got a Todd's Tools film. So basically, this is introducing you to some of the favourite things I use around the workshop. And today, we have screw pulling pliers. Not that obvious, but have a look at this migration era hilt here. So this is not yet finished, this piece. So everything's loose, everything's not that loose, but it all comes apart, and I have to put it together and take it apart so many times during the course of making it that it's really handy to have the right tools. Now, screw pulling pliers are a funny thing. They don't quite join, and they're toothed all the way round. So you've got some teeth running in that direction, some teeth running in that direction, and then just a regular wire cutter as well. But what they're for, essentially, is that when you've broken the head off a screw, you can get in and you can actually grip it and turn it around. Fantastically useful in DIY world. It's what we used to call a get out of jail free card. You almost never use it, but when you do want to use it, it's just priceless. But for this, I've got these steel pins, just little nails, which are holding the whole thing together at the moment. They're going to be the rivet pins eventually. But of course I have to fit this whole thing absolutely perfectly. So it needs to be right, and that means the pins are tapped in. Now, they're quite difficult to get out, but you can just get in very close without danger of marking anything. Give it a little twist and a little pull, and it just gets everything together. Everything apart, rather. Just show you again. I think you get the idea. So these are, they've got engineer written on them. Now, I bought them in Hungary. I don't know if engineer is a brand or if it's a cheap knockoff thing. I think it looks like a brand, actually, and it says made in Japan. There you go, engineer, made in Japan, and it's even got a part number. So I'll put that up in the notes and I'll show you what they are. But screw pulling pliers by engineer, made in Japan, absolutely fantastically useful.